Hello, welcome to our project in Melbourne. This is beautiful house, very moody. We decorated it in a dark gold tones. So it's gonna be very different from all the other houses you saw before maybe. Come on in, I'll show you what we've done. So starting from this entryway, we have here a beautiful gallery wall, which is created from frames. This is actually a wall, and this is just frame fixed on the wall. And inside this big frame, we have this small frame. So black and black, it gives kind of dimension, volume. We printed these posters, 3 of them. So straight away after entering here, you get this rhythm in the house and can see it's gonna be something different, something very stylish, something very unique. And here you get this moment after approaching this way, chair with a lamp. While decorating this house, we repainted the walls. It used to be just, basic normal house with white walls, and we decided to make it really moody. The walls are painted, we added these curtains, look at this lamp, occasional chair, and this painting is actually handmade by a local painter. It's got special technique. If you look at night at this painting, you can see 3-dimensional technique. So deep inside you have gold, and it's given a lot of character to this room. Here we went with a huge coffee table. This is gold. Metal is very trendy. You go big metals these days, it's a very big trend. Leather chairs. The owners of the house have dog. That is why leather furniture was must. And this chair, which is also huge. I can't actually call it a chair. It's like a small sofa itself. So you can sit here, relaxed, enjoy watching TV. By the way, here we have actually built this joinery. This is custom-made cabinet. The wall is quite huge, and there was a lot of thoughts whether we should go with double cabinet, but they all were looking not good. And after we decided to build this big joinery unit, we just ties all the space together. And TV is not located high, it's located on eye level. I give advice to all of my clients to locate TV on eye level. It's just convenient to watch it when you're sitting on the sofa. You don't keep your eyes high, because your eyes can get tired, and this is the perfect location of TV. And look at this beautiful kitchen with a lot of character. Again, here we've got handmade pictures by the same painter. These are stones, cosmic stones. And how beautifully they tie up with wall, with this black domino paint wall. We were thinking, is it to go black with the wall or go domino? So decided to go domino, and it's working absolutely perfect with black accents in the interior. Table is very nice, wooden top with black chairs, pendant light. Again, giving a lot of character to the room. For the kitchen, we also have done an update. So these cabinets were light, and we also wanted them to be dark. So what we've done, we repainted them. We actually removed the doors, and it is a opaque paint. So we repainted them all and then installed back and replaced handles. We have this theme with golden accent around the house. So these handles just perfectly fit in the same fixing points as old handles. So they look just amazing, giving this kitchen absolutely great look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow Studio Design Mile as well. And of course, you are welcome to become our next clients for interior design of your property, for property styling and decorating. And have a good day.